Today we will explore how a player's height can affect their free throw performance. Let's dive into the science behind it. Free throws are an essential part of basketball, and they might seem simple, but did you know that a player's height can impact their performance? Let's find out how. A free throw is taken from the free throw line, which is 15 feet away from the hoop. The goal is to shoot the ball into the hoop with an optimal arc and angle. Players who are very tall have to work on their free throws differently compared to players who are shorter and have a near-perfect technique. Each player adjusts their technique to suit their height and style. Taller players generally have a higher release point, which means they have to shoot at a steeper angle. This can be an advantage as it allows for a higher arc, increasing the chances of the ball going through the hoop. Shorter players, on the other hand, might have a lower release point, which can make it challenging to achieve the same arc. Let's look at the physics. The trajectory of the ball is influenced by the angle of the release, the height of the release, and the force applied. Taller players can take advantage of their height to release the ball closer to the hoop, requiring less force and more accuracy. Regardless of the player's height, you can adjust the technique to improve their free throw accuracy. Taller players should focus on using their height to their advantage by maintaining a higher release point. Shorter players might need to focus more on their shooting form and generate a higher arc. Here are some practice drills. Taller players can practice maintaining their high release point, while shorter players can work on increasing their shooting arc. Both should focus on consistency and routine. Height can play a role in the free throws, but with the right technique and practice, anyone can improve their free throw. Keep practicing, have fun. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.